In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tasks in Time Doctor. Whether you're new to Time Doctor or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you can efficiently manage your tasks in no time. Let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other that you use regularly. Once you've done that, head over to the search bar and type in Time Doctor. This will bring up a list of results. You'll want to click on the first link that pops up, or more importantly, the one that has the URL timedoctor.com. This will take you directly to their official website, ensuring you're in the right place to proceed. Once you're on the Time Doctor homepage, you'll need to log in. If you're already a user, simply enter your credentials to access your account. And if you happen to be new and haven't set up an account yet, there's typically an option to sign up or register. You'll want to follow those prompts to create your account. After logging in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard interface. Now, look for the Settings section. The Settings button is usually located on the menu, and clicking it will open up a variety of options related to your account preferences. In the Settings menu, you'll want to locate an option labeled Projects and Task Settings. This is your next stop. Selecting this will lead you into the project management area where you can oversee all your ongoing and upcoming projects. Now, in the Projects and Task settings, pay attention to the list of projects you might have already set up. Click on the specific project to which you want to add a task. After selecting the project, you'll be directed to a task section where you can manage pertinent tasks. You'll see an option labeled Plus Add Task. Go ahead and click on this button. A task dialog box will appear, prompting you to enter the name of the task you want to create. Be descriptive and specific when naming your task, as this will help in keeping everything organized and clear. After you've typed in the task name, you'll notice a check icon nearby. Click on this check icon to finalize and confirm the addition of your task. Clicking this essentially saves the task to your list, ensuring it's ready for you and your team to tackle. And that's it. You have successfully added a task to your project in Time Doctor. Now, you can track your time against this task, keeping your productivity goals on track. If you have any more tasks to add, simply repeat these steps, and you'll have a well-organized project list in no time. Thank you for watching, and happy task managing.